2,000 on thermometers, 2,000 surrounding us. Travel 2,000 kilometers to hang out with us. What's up, danger?
Hey guys, welcome back to another Fortnite video. Today, yes, the setup's changed a little bit. You see, I'm wearing my headset and I have this connected to this thing. Yes, this very, very cool mic. And this very cool mic is connected to the phone. So pretty cool, yeah. Done a little bit of changes with the setup and it's looking pretty dope. But yeah, guys, today is a sad day. Fortnite announced that they have officially vaulted the combat shotgun. But along with it, two of my least favorite weapons in the game. I absolutely hated these weapons. The drum shotgun and the, what is it called? Proximity grenade launcher. I can't even explain my hate for that weapon. It sucked so much. I hated it. But yeah, so this is some of the last footage you will see of the combat shotgun, at least me using it, unless it's in creative. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, make sure to leave a comment in the video, this video, and you'll have a chance to be in the next video. So yeah, please do that, and I'll see you guys next time. And this is probably my favorite video I've made. I've spent a lot of time on this video. So yeah, let's do this.
That's right, guys, we got back. Oh, no. What? Why did that come out? Anyways, yeah, guys, we got voiceovers back. Let's go. That's a goddess. What kind of name is that? Oh, we got some. Dang. That's right, guys. We got voiceovers back. It's been recommended by Freshman that I do voiceovers again. You bot. You're a bot, Crafty. Just go up the stairs. So yeah, guys. This is actually a couple days later. Me doing this voiceover. Let's say late voiceover. So yeah, Xbox servers are down. So I thought, yeah, let's finish this video off. So yeah. Man, look at this great gameplay. Crafty running. Alright. I'm out. This is all I'm going to do for the voiceover. I don't want to spend a lot of time with this. So, yep. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Follow my passion and straight from the heart. I see the light, but it started up though. I saw the light, but it started up though. But it's so cool. I'ma follow my dreams till they fall through. They don't want us to win, but we going to. Keep the haters, I gotta move closer. I'ma work so hard. Watch I go so far. Never lose who you